If OBS Studio is using high CPU, it usually means your settings are too heavy for your system, or software encoding is overloading your processor. First, close unnecessary apps and background processes to free up CPU usage. Go to Settings Arrow Video in OBS Studio and lower your resolution to 1280 by 720 if you are using 1080p. Reduce FPS from 60 to 30 if your system is struggling. Go to Settings Arrow Output and change the encoder from X264 CPU-based to hardware encoding like NVENC or AMD if your GPU supports it. Lower bitrate in output settings because higher bitrate increases CPU load. Remove unnecessary sources like extra overlays, browser sources, or heavy filters. Run OBS Studio as administrator for better performance optimization. Update your graphics drivers and CPU drivers to improve system efficiency. Check Task Manager to see if other apps are consuming CPU and close them. Avoid recording and streaming at the same time if your PC is low-end. Restart OBS Studio after changing settings to apply performance improvements. If CPU usage is still high, reinstall OBS Studio to reset corrupted settings. These steps will significantly reduce OBS Studio CPU usage and improve performance.